Not.
Okay, we're live. So, welcome parents and friends. We're glad that you can join us today. Friends, we're glad that you can join us today. Friends, we're glad that you can join us
someone's
today.
watching YouTube on there.
We're glad that you can join us
Someone's
today.
watching YouTube on there.
We're glad that you can join us
Someone's
today.
watching YouTube on there. Someone's 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 watching YouTube on there.
Is it over? You're muted.
Okay. Thank you, Isaac. Yeah, so what I was saying is that
Everyone in chat was telling you that you were still muted.
okay, thank you. Thank you. So what I was saying was that this link here, you don't have to go there right away, but maybe sometime during the class or maybe at the end of the class, if you get a chance, you can go here. It's two things. One is our program end survey. So you could take the survey, give us some feedback on how you found the course. This is the first time we're offering this level 2 program, so we'd love to hear from you. And then the second thing is if you want a copy of your certificate, you can put your name down, and then we'll email you a copy of the certificate of completion. Okay. All right, so now we're going to get started with the final presentations. So we have a number of students who will be presenting today. These are the students. So in no particular order, but Leila has volunteered to go first. So we're going to go ahead with Leila first. So Leila, if you can unmute yourself.
I sent my project over to you over Slack. Have you viewed it yet?
No, I haven't.
Good.
Leila, go ahead and unmute yourself and say something so we can make sure that we can hear you.
I'm okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Okay, wonderful.
Okay, let me just close my door.
Okay, I'll stop sharing my screen too, so.
Okay. So I'm gonna just share my screen.
Okay. Oh, there's some feedback happening there. I don't know if you have if you have two devices on, maybe mute the one that you're not presenting on. Oh, we can't hear you now.
Can you hear me?
Okay, yes, we can hear you now, yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen.
Okay, great.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so for like the project, I made a dance with the characters with the playground. It's pretty simple, but I had lots of fun making it. So. Okay, so I wasn't sure if you could hear the audio.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I used a lot of erase to make the code so I wouldn't have to like rewrite it a bunch of times.
Mm-hmm.
And because it was so simple, I made another code on Swift Playgrounds on my iPad, which is really randomized. So it's just randomized blocks, randomized characters. But my iPad isn't connecting to the audio. So what I can do is send a screen recording of it on Slack, which can be shared later.
Okay. Yeah, actually, this is wonderful, this movie. So what did you use to create the movie?
I used CapCut to edit the movie, and then I used a bunch of arrays and functions to build the code.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Thank you.
Can you share this video too with me, if not the whole class, if you don't mind?
Share the video via Slack?
Yeah. Yeah, if you don't mind sharing it with the whole class, that's great. If you do, then you can just share it with me. I'd love to see it again.
Okay, thank you. I'll post it on Slack.
Okay, wonderful. That looks really cool. Any questions from the class regarding Leila's presentation? Okay, no questions. Yeah, what did you like the most, Leila, about working on this project?
I really liked how creative I was able to be by like building. Even like before we got to world creation, I was like skipping through playgrounds and saw this and was like building a bunch of stuff.
Okay.
So I had really fun with this one. Lots of fun with this one.
Yeah, yeah. It looked like it was a lot of fun creating this. That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay. What was? Did you find anything that was challenging while working on this?
In the start, I had a bit of trouble creating like the grids with the water, but I think after I kind of got used to like how the code was working, so not really.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. Okay, great. So it looks like there are no questions from the class. Then let's give Leila a big round of applause. Good job, Leila.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, awesome, Layla. So next we have Isaac. Isaac, go ahead and unmute yourself, Isaac, and then say something so we can confirm we can hear you.
Unmuted. I'm unmuted.
Okay, wonderful. So we can hear you. So go ahead and share your screen.
Why don't you do it on yours? I sent you the file. You can take a look at it.
Oh, you sent it to me. So you want me to...
Yeah.
Where did you send it?
On Slack.
Did you send it to me directly?
Yeah, directly.
I haven't received it. Let me see.
Check.
Okay.
Yeah, I sent it to you directly.
Yeah, can you send it again? Because I don't have it. So while Isaac is doing that, we'll move on and then we'll come back to you. Okay, Isaac? Next up, we have DJ. So DJ...
may I go last?
Sure, yeah, we'll have you go last. DJ, if you're all set, can you unmute yourself and say something?
Hello, is it working?
Yes, okay, we can hear you, DJ.
All right,
Okay.
I am pulling up my playground, just waiting for it to load.
Okay. You can share your screen too. I guess once it's loaded.
Got it. All right, can you see everything properly?
Yes, we can see our playground. Yeah.
Okay, so I just went with something simple, like the arrays and everything. And what I created here it is. Should I play it fast then? Because it'll take a little bit of time, so I'll run it fast.
Sure.
So basically, I just did a little simple world where I have blue in the center there, earth bending. Something simple, fun. But there was one problem where I remember there was a certain like piece of code that like made the characters move, like how earlier the characters were dancing, but every time I tried to put it in, it would always say something was wrong. So let's just imagine that he is earthbending with his mind. Very fun.
Okay.
Just give it a second. It should finish very soon. So yeah, I don't know. I didn't know how to make the move in the world, so he's just standing there motionless.
Yeah. No worries.
All right. And that's the end of it. That's all I could. Oh, he actually moved. Okay, never mind. He does actually move. All right.
Okay.
That's what I got for my project with arrays and world generation.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, great. Thank you, DJ. Does the class have any questions for DJ? While they're typing, go ahead. Yeah.
A comment here is that I think the idea of the character's world bending is really creative.
Thank you.
Okay, wonderful. Great comment, Wendy. Janie says, an intrepid adventurer. Hopefully he can get home.
He will eventually get home. I don't know when, but it's his thing now, not me. I've done my part and he will do his. Or
okay.
I don't know. Yeah, he.
Yeah, Janie says he's kind of high up there. So what did you find that you enjoyed the most about this project, DJ?
Definitely getting the getting the world building, getting the land to generate in a way that doesn't look too chaotic, but also in a way that doesn't look too bland, like just in the middle, like this. Like there's waves, dips, highs and lows.
Yeah. Wonderful. Wendy says he will make a home up there with his earthbending powers.
Exactly.
How about, was there something that you found a bit challenging while working on this project?
No, because I didn't really want to like rush through this, so I decided to take it step by step, and I guess by doing that I didn't run into any trouble, or nothing was difficult for this.
Okay. Wonderful. Okay, so I don't see any more questions. So wonderful. Great job, DJ. Let's give DJ a round of applause. Thank you.
I shall stop screen sharing.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, DJ. Oh, there's one more comment from Brandon. He will build a mountain to make a home on with his earthbending powers. Okay, wonderful. So next up, we have Tekna. Tekna, if you're all set, you can unmute yourself and say something so we could make sure we can hear you. Sorry, Tekna. Can you hear me, Tekna? If you're okay, I see. Okay, all right. So we're going to skip Tekna today then. Next up, we have Jacob. Jacob, if you're all set, you can go and unmute yourself.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Hi, Jacob. We can hear you. Okay,
so my
go
project, sorry.
Oh, you can share your screen too, so then we can see.
Just a sec.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, you can see it.
All right. So basically my project is actually really simple. It's just a level. My own custom level.
Okay.
It just... Yeah, it's been really buggy for the past few days. So I had some difficulty making it because it would kind of glitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. It might take a while to load. Alright, so I built a maze, and it involves a character named Expert.
Oh, yeah.
The character must try and collect all the gems and toggle all the switches.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see here, it's quite glitchy. It was last time I tried this, it was supposed to, he toggled the switch right there, but for some reason he's not.
Oh. It looks like the last platform is a bit too high, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. But no, this level looks really cool. There's quite a few difficult places to get around, like even those yellow platforms. He has to go like, beyond the cliff, right? Wonderful.
Thank you.
So Janie says, wow, didn't see those yellow platforms. Wendy says they're so satisfying in a way. And Janie says, I didn't know you could start platforms of the same color at different heights. Yeah, those platforms that were at different heights. Yeah. Cool.
Thanks.
Okay. So Jacob, what did you like the most about this project?
I guess the end result of it.
Okay. Yeah, it's quite satisfying to see your maze and yeah. How about something that was challenging? Was there anything that you found challenging?
Making it, because it kept on doing things like what you just saw at the end.
Yeah.
A lot.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. Are there any more questions from the rest of the class? Okay. I don't see any more questions. Okay, wonderful. Oh, go ahead, Jacob. Yeah, thank you, Jacob. Okay, wonderful. Let's give Jacob a big round of applause. Good job. Thank you, Jacob. Okay, next we have Aiden. Aiden, if you can unmute yourself and let's test your audio.
Hello?
Hi, Aiden.
Can you
Hi.
hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. So you can, once you're all set, you can share your screen and then you can get started.
All right. It's not working.
Yes, we're starting to see your screen. Yeah.
Okay. Heck. Okay, so what? Basically. And it's just basically just random clips.
Okay.
And it changes each time.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't have a solution for it.
Okay.
I don't have that much time.
No worries. So how did you determine how tall the cliffs were going to be?
Basically what I did is it just stops at like a certain level.
Okay.
Somewhere here.
Yeah.
It stops at a certain level. Forgot what it was.
Okay. Janie says those look like geysers from Old Faithful. Yeah, a little bit they do. Oh, those are huge. How tall is that? Like how many blocks high is this?
I don't know. It's kind of random each time, but I think the limit is like, I don't know, 30.
30, wow, okay.
That actually looks way more than 30.
Yeah, it looks really tall.
And so basically, I just made it have two halves, and then it has like stairs here, and then you would just come up and then go on to these two switches.
Okay. So it is solvable though, right?
It is.
Okay. Wonderful. Okay, do we have any questions from the class for Aiden?
Oh wait, yeah. Oh yeah, how do you know what the limit is? Did you test it out?
I just made it. Basically, it goes for a loop and it goes a certain amount of times. So therefore, the loop can like. So basically, it's random. Like the block placement is random, except for the loop goes only like a few times. So it can only go up to like this many times. I'd say it's like
Okay.
50-ish.
Okay, wonderful. Aiden, what did you like the most about working on this project?
Honestly, I just like the sheer like scale of this cliffs, and they look pretty cool.
Yeah, they do look pretty cool. Okay, wonderful. How about what was something that might have been challenging while you were working on this?
Well, kind of getting it to like not be unsolvable. So I had to make sure that the blocks in this row would be only like solvable blocks.
Yeah.
So like it wouldn't be just random like all the other giant cliffs. So the switches wouldn't be like here or here.
Yeah, that's right. Because you can't reach that. Yeah. Okay, wonderful. Okay, great. Okay, good job, Aiden. It looks good. Thank you. Let's give Aiden a big round of applause. Okay, wonderful. Great. Janie's saying, who hasn't presented yet? So I think we're done. We're going back to Isaac. Isaac's the last one now. Isaac, I got what you sent me. It looks like it's a prank, so I'm not going to play it. Do you have an actual project that you can show us?
No.
Okay. All right. I'm sorry. I'm not going to play your prank. I think you already pranked us once before, right? And it's the same one. So
I don't remember if I did.
I think you did. But anyway, you got me that first time. So, okay. In that case, I think we're done with the presentations. Wendy.
Also, sorry I couldn't get anything. Sorry I couldn't present anything.
Oh, no worries, no worries. Oh, Irene. Okay. I'm sorry, Irene. I missed you. Okay. Wendy, you have to hold on. I'm sorry, Irene. Let's have you unmute yourself and then say something.
Hello?
Hi. Okay, we can hear you.
Can you hear
Irene.
me?
Yes, we can hear you.
First of all, I made a video. I just need to send it to you now.
Oh, okay. You want me to play it, or are you going to play it for us?
Can you play it for me?
Okay. I'll play it. Yeah.
Do you have any? Can I say? Is it okay if I send it to Gmail?
But sure. Just send it to my email address, roland@gameofapps.org. Is that? Or if you send it,
can you just wait like 5 minutes to send it on the Slack on the
Slack?
DM for you?
Okay, sure. So actually, while we're doing that, we can go to we can have Wendy show us her solution, and then after that, we'll do Irene. Actually, was there anyone else that I missed other
Pansy,
than
maybe?
Irene? Pansy? Because I think Pansy said last week that she didn't want to, but I present. But
I heard she finished it today.
Oh, okay. Pansy, do you want to present today?
I guess I'll do it.
Okay, all right. Okay, let's do Pansy first then. Sorry, I keep pushing you back, Wendy. It's okay. We'll end with yours.
Wendy go first. I have to like join on my iPad and get it set up and stuff.
Okay. Sorry. I guess Wendy, we're back on.
Okay then.
Okay. Let me. Okay. Go ahead, Wendy.
Okay, just asking you, have any of you tried my level and found a solution?
I tried a little bit, but I didn't finish it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, Brandon says he tried, but he didn't paste it correctly.
Okay, wait. Okay, so here is again the code. So basically your friend Blue is trapped and you have to like rescue them.
Yes.
Okay, so while you're waiting, just telling you guys, in part 3, like over in this area here, there's actually a glitch that happens occasionally. So if that happens, I'll just restart.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that. I wasn't able to fix the glitch.
Okay. Jeannie's asking if you can full screen the whole level so we can see. Yeah.
Wait. Okay. There.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, I'm gonna run it a little bit slower when it's doing the solution so we can see it more clearer.
Okay. Oh, can you just do that, or will it start over again?
Yeah, you could.
Okay.
Okay, so over here, see the ending stair over there? Sometimes it overlaps, like there's 2 stairs stacked on top of each other. Okay, so it's going up the stairs. So the stairs are randomly generated, so I use something kind of like the right-hand algorithm, where if it's blocked in the front, then it turns a certain direction.
Okay.
So like chooses which direction to go based on where it's blocked.
Yeah.
And then if it presses the switch, then the thing goes up.
Oh, sorry,
oh
when you
yeah,
press
another
it-
thing is that.
Oh,
So when you
go ahead.
press one of the switches, the thing goes up the platform.
Oh, without having the expert turn the lock up?
Yeah, because I made a new function called press switch, where so basically I made a new function called press switch. It's basically so it toggles the switch, but it also does other stuff.
Okay.
Okay, this is a bit slow. I'll run it faster. If you're wondering why the sounds a bit demonic, it's because I don't know why. It's just been like that.
Sounds okay to me.
Yeah, it's like running faster, so you probably couldn't notice it that well.
You mean like really high pitched?
No, like it kind of sounds. I don't know. The audio kind of sounds like corrupted or something when it's running at normal speed.
Okay.
For Byte, not for the others though.
Maybe your iPad CPU is struggling to keep up.
Maybe. Yeah, you know what? This is kind of boring. I'll just run it faster. So it can't actually detect whether you need to toggle the lock. I mean, turn the lock like up or down. So it just does both.
Okay.
So it's like a while loop that detects whether the player can walk onto the lock.
Okay.
So the when you press the switch, it actually checks for how many gems you have collected.
Okay. And what does it do with it?
If you haven't collected the amount of gems, then the platform won't rise.
Oh, okay. Oh wow. So that did that switch trigger the creation of those 2 blocks?
Yeah.
So
That's
like,
the ending.
yeah. Yeah, I saw the ending too. When that last toggle switch, like you detected that he was on it and then you created the 2 blocks. How did that work?
So it can't actually detect the character's location or the switch's location.
Okay.
So it checks how many gems you have collected.
Okay.
So the gems in the third part are generated randomly. So there's a variable to keep track of that. And then it checks whether you've collected 19 gems plus the variable of the gems in part 3. And if you have collected that much, then it triggers the final animation.
Okay.
So when you're programming it, you actually just have to make the character go into the third switch, and you don't have to do anything after that because the animation does it for you.
Yeah. Yeah, Janie says that, but the third switch isn't toggled though. He didn't toggle the third switch, right?
Oh wait, that's probably a bug. Sorry, that's a bug.
Okay. No, but okay.
Yeah, so it runs the toggle switch function, and then it's supposed to run the toggle switch function, and then it does the animation. So these 2 things are independent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful.
Here's the code basically. Where is it? If you want to see this,
solution.
This is part 1. So yeah, it's like the right hand rule algorithm. Part 2, it's kind of complicated and stuff. And then part 3 is basically like it detects whether each row has gems or not, and it moves accordingly. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty proud of the I think the animation is really cool.
Yeah, I liked it too. Yeah. Okay. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that. Maybe you can post a solution for us too on Slack.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Wendy. We'll give you another round of applause for Wendy and Janie for a wonderful project. Okay. So Irene, I got your video, but maybe Hansi, if you're ready, we'll go with you first. Hansi?
Actually, I sent it to you in an email instead because I'm not sure if like the audio would work on my iPad.
Oh, okay. You send it to me by email. Okay. So Wendy, you can stop sharing your screen too, Wendy. Okay, let me get send it to me via email. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so who should I do first, Irene or Hansi?
I don't really care.
Okay, I'll go with you then, Irene. Okay, let me share my screen and then we'll play your video. Let me just get it up here. Oh, Irene, I'm sure it's not bad. Why do you say that? Okay, let's let me share my screen. All right, so we can see this. This is yours, right, Irene? Not Hansi's. I didn't get it mixed up, right? Okay, let me go ahead and play this.
I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white, I could be every color you like.
Irene, it looks pretty good. I don't know why you're saying it was bad. Number one, I love the music. Number two, I love all the graphics. So there's too many areas and mistakes. Actually, I don't know what the mistakes are you're referring to. Like if we just watch the show, we can't tell there's any mistakes. We don't know what the mistakes are. So I don't think. No, you did a great job, Irene. Okay, if there are any questions for Irene, you can type or chat. But Irene, what did you like about this project when you were working on this?
I could be very creative.
Yeah, it was very creative. How did you create this movie? What did you use?
Well, first of all, I finished the coding as this playground. I videoed it and I used the app called Velo and edited it.
Okay. Oh, you actually you videotape your iPad? So, or did you record it on the iPad?
Record it, yeah, that will be better.
Okay. No, I like it. I think I like it. It looks really good. It was, very, very catchy. The music was very good. Does anyone have any questions for Irene? What did you find challenging about this?
Probably coding and editing the videos.
Yeah.
I only have like 1 week to actually edit the video, and I was really rushing through. So.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, good job, Irene. I think it looks great. Let's give Irene a big hand. Okay, wonderful. Okay, we have one more video to go, and this is Hansi's. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, I think you can all see that.
My name is Chicky, 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 Chicky. My name is Cha Cha, Clop, Clop, Cha Cha Cha. Chicky, 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 Clop, Clop, Cha Cha Cha. Chicky, 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 Clop, Clop, Cha Cha Cha.
My name is Boom Boom, Boom Boom Boom.
My name is Chicky, my name is Cha Cha. Chicky, Cha Cha,
Boom Boom,
Chicky, Cha Cha,
Boom Boom,
Chicky, Cha Cha,
Boom Boom.
Clop, Clop, Cha Cha Cha.
Wow, good job, Hansi. this is so fun. The characters' movements was synced up with the music. Tell us how you did that, Hansi.
Okay, so like that was the hardest part. I just I looked at the movements to see what would go with the song, and I had to play them at the same time to make sure it went along, and yeah, it took a long time to do that.
Wow. So you got your song, and then did you have to add actions to kind of make it, have it come in at exactly the right time?
Yeah, it wasn't honestly. I mean, it doesn't. Okay, it sounds pretty hard. It wasn't as hard as that, but it took a long time.
Okay, wonderful. I love your choice of music. That was a pretty fun song, and then with the actions of the characters, it really made it come alive. So I thought that was pretty cute. Good job. Any questions from the class for Hansi? Okay, Hansi, what did you like the most about this project?
It was fun. It took my mind off of all my homework, which is nice.
Yeah. And how about, did you find anything challenging?
And making sure they were in sync, and also
Yeah.
the second part, the characters they weren't doing the right movements and stuff. But anyways, it's fine.
Yeah. It was cool because it feels like you choreographed it, right? It's like all choreographed together with the song. So that's pretty cool. Okay, good job. Okay, let's give Hansi a big hand, big hand, big hand, big hand. Wonderful. All right. Has everyone else gone? Did we miss anyone else? Just want to make sure we didn't skip anyone. Okay. So we come now to the final raffle or draw. So I have here all the names according to my records of people who presented. Can you all check to make sure that your name is here? So if you presented and you don't see your name here, let me know in case I might have missed it. I'll give you a few seconds
Were there people who actually didn't present?
I don't know. Yes, I think there were some. There were some.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I'll give you a few more seconds to confirm that your name's on, and then we'll go. Okay. All right. So we're going to start the draw now. Okay. Good luck, everyone. Okay. Congratulations. It looks like it's Wendy.
Yeah.
Wait.
Why wait? What is there to wait?
I don't think I saw my name on there. I did it.
Yeah. Well, you didn't present, Isaac.
Right.
Yeah. So this was for people who presented. Okay. So Wendy, I'll contact you separately to get this this one, to get this passed on to you.
Okay.
But everyone else, it was a lot of fun working with all of you. This is the first time we did a level 2 program. We had a small class. We had a lot of good interactions. So I really enjoyed that. A lot of discussion. We deviated a lot from the curriculum. We tried a lot of new things too. So I'm hoping that you guys really enjoyed it as much as I did. Hopefully, if you want to keep going, we played the video earlier about what we're planning to do for level 3 next year, the Apple Swift Student Challenge. So that would be wonderful if you can join us. I'd love to have at least one, or if not more of you, get selected by Apple to win the Swift Student Challenge. Yes, today is the last day. So yeah, I'm going to miss you guys every Thursday. I look forward to seeing you. So, but you guys have a wonderful rest of the school year and have a great summer. And hopefully I'll see a bunch of you back in September. Yeah, I'm looking forward to summer too. I think it'll be fun. Okay, everyone. When does our Slack thing end? We'll keep the Slack on for a few more weeks, probably till the end of May. Till the end of May, so we'll be able to send announcements until then. I should tell you now, we also have a Game of Apps alumni Discord server. So I'll post that on Slack before, like within the next week or so. So all of you, if you're not already on that Discord server, please join us there too. Okay. All right. Yeah, I hope to see you guys again. But regardless, even if we don't see you, please join the Discord server so that we can keep in touch. Because I'd love to keep in touch with past students. A lot of them are in university now, like the students that we had in the early seasons. So it's wonderful for me to see, what they're doing. And the ones who started in season 1, season 2, some of them are graduating and about to start work now too. So I'd love to hear about you guys too. Jamie. No, the shirts are yours. The shirts are yours, so you can keep them. Every year we have new shirts. Okay. All right. Anyway, Slack will still be on for a few more weeks. And then hopefully by then everyone would have joined the Discord server, and then we'll be able to keep in touch that way too. Okay. A Google chat group. We don't have a Google chat group. Okay. I guess if there's enough interest, maybe we could start up a Google chat group too. Yeah, we don't have a Google chat group right now. Okay, Hansi is interested in the Google chat group. And Janie too. Okay. Okay. Let's continue discussion on Slack and maybe we'll create one too.
My Google Chat doesn't work.
Oh, really? Like in general or for you?
What do you mean?
Like when you say it doesn't work, do you mean like it doesn't work in general or it doesn't work for you?
Oh, it doesn't work for me.
Okay.
Wait,
Yes.
is this being live streamed?
It is right now. But once we finish, it'll go unlisted. Then I'll
Okay.
edit it and clean it up, and then we'll post the cleaned up video.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, it was really wonderful working with you. I really had a lot of fun chatting with all of you guys. And as I said, I would look forward to every Thursday. So yeah, if we don't see you again, I wish you all the best. But if we see you again next year, then I look forward to that. Okay, take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Have a good summer.
Yes, have a good summer. Bye. Bye. Yeah, hope to see you next year.
Oh, I'm still on, so.
Okay.